We didn't want to just take our time away from our kids and do something that didn't mean much to us.
And like Anne said, there are other things we could do. We can be very boring and invest money at home from the computer. But we were just so tired with like 2 or 3 other moms, and we're like, you know what? We need to get our old self back. We accidentally stumble upon this. People like it. It grew organically. People say good things about it.
At the same time, we try to do as much with the community as possible. And so, for example, we employ women who live around the area. Normally, they wouldn't be able to have a flexible job if they're not working with us.
因為本身我係2個細路嘅媽咪嚟㗎啦，咁又覺得呢份工對於我嚟講係又有彈性啦，又可以照到屋企之餘，可以隨時都可以返到工啦咁樣。啲同事都係識嘅，所以咧就叫埋佢哋一齊過嚟，因為佢哋都係平時要湊細路啦。
We've learned a lot from them too. You realize
we do learn a lot from them.
Right? Like you realize that these housewives, they are amazing cooks. They are so good with ingredients. They're so knowledgeable about food source.
Because 3 days without food can be really tough, especially for Hong Kong when there are snacks and yummy food everywhere in the streets.
3 days is better than nothing, and we believe that it's a great way to sort of jumpstart your lifestyle. So if you do it for 3 days and you feel good, then you'll have the discipline. It's just a way to sort of motivate people. We were trying to, feed better food to the kids. Husbands travel a lot, try to change their diet. So our goal is to, after all the research, after taking the nutrition classes, we're like, okay, we know what should be in those juices. Now, Anne, this is time to do your magic and make it taste good.
There's a difference between 10 grams of carrots and 30 grams of carrots. A lot of greens, it's really hard because green vegetables can taste very grassy. We don't give you the orange, or we don't give you the apple. It's because there's no way you can drink 20 pounds of fruits and vegetables, and that's how much we put in our juices per detox. These bottles that we use are biodegradable. They can go into a landfill and they'll just biodegrade themselves.